the boundless power of creative medium. This year, Indian Panorama 2016 announces its final selection of feature and non-feature films and has extended entries to the uncensored films also for the first time with an aim to encourage the participation of the latest films in the country's filmmakers. The Indian Panorama is a platform for young, aspiring and independent filmmakers from India to showcase their ability, craft of storytelling to an audience from across the world. पूरा दुनिया के सामने अपना कला, अपना कौशल्य दिखाने के लिए, प्रस्तुत करने के लिए एक अच्छा मौका है. It is an opportunity which allows them to propel their country in front of the world with their films. अपना देश को भी दुनिया के सामने प्रस्तुत करने के लिए एक अच्छा मौका है. Well-known director and producer Sri Rajan Singh Babu has selected 26 out of 230 eligible entries, whereas the non-feature film jury, chaired by the well-known documentary filmmaker Sri Arvind Sinha, has picked 21 films out of 199 eligible entries. You can imagine viewing 230 films and at the end selecting 26 films is not an ordinary thing. It is a Herculean task. Sanskrit film Isti, directed by Sri G. Prabha, the opening feature film of Indian Panorama 2016, is set to in the mid-19th century Kerala, when young Nambudri Brahmins successfully challenged the orthodox patriarchal traditions of a Brahmin community. Consequently, for the second year, where a Sanskrit film has been chosen as the opening film of Indian Panorama, I compliment the entire team for the same. This year's 47th edition had received a total of 429 eligible feature and non-feature films submission from 29 states across the country. विविधता में एकता, भारत का विशेषता, अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश.